A crash course on renewable or green energy with latest applications. ChatGPT, please give a crash course on renewable or green energy with applications to global warming issues and human long-term sustainability. Green energy refers to energy produced using renewable and sustainable resources that have minimal negative impact on the environment. The primary sources of green energy include solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and biomass. One of the most significant challenges that the world is facing today is global warming, which is caused by the buildup of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Green energy is one of the most effective ways to combat global warming, as it reduces the amount of greenhouse gases that are emitted into the atmosphere. Here are some of the applications and latest development of green energy to global warming issues and human long-term sustainability. 1. Solar energy. Solar energy is obtained by capturing sunlight and converting it into electricity. It is a renewable energy source that can be used to power homes, businesses, and even cities. The use of solar energy reduces the amount of carbon dioxide emissions and other pollutants that are released into the atmosphere, making it an essential tool in the fight against global warming. It also provides a long-term, sustainable solution to energy needs as sunlight is an infinite resource. Solar energy has seen significant technological advancements in recent years, such as the development of more efficient solar panels and batteries. The use of perovskite solar cells, which have shown to be highly efficient and less expensive to produce than traditional silicon-based solar cells, is one example of this. There has also been a rise in the use of solar power purchase agreements, PPAs, which allow companies and individuals to purchase solar power without having to invest in expensive equipment. 2. Wind energy. Wind energy is obtained by harnessing the power of wind to produce electricity. Wind turbines are used to capture the energy of the wind and convert it into electricity. Like solar energy, wind energy is a renewable energy source that can be used to reduce carbon dioxide emissions and other pollutants. It is also a sustainable solution as wind is a never-ending resource. Wind energy has seen significant developments in the design and manufacturing of wind turbines, with larger and more efficient turbines being developed. Floating wind turbines have also been developed, which can be placed in deep waters, allowing for more access to strong winds offshore. There has also been a rise in the use of virtual power purchase agreements, VPPAs, which allow companies to purchase wind energy from off-site wind farms. 3. Hydro energy. Hydro energy is obtained by using the power of water to generate electricity. Hydroelectric power plants use the force of falling water to turn turbines, which generate electricity. Hydro energy is a clean and sustainable energy source that produces no emissions or pollutants. It is also a long-term solution as water is a renewable resource. Hydro energy has seen technological advancements in the development of smaller, more efficient hydro turbines that can generate electricity from low-head water sources. Pumped storage hydroelectricity, which stores energy by pumping water uphill and releasing it to generate electricity when needed, has also seen increased adoption as a way to integrate renewable energy sources into the grid. 4. Geothermal energy. Geothermal energy is obtained by using the heat from the Earth's core to generate electricity. Geothermal power plants use the heat from hot water and steam to turn turbines, which generate electricity. Geothermal energy is a renewable and sustainable energy source that produces no emissions or pollutants. Geothermal energy has seen developments in the use of enhanced geothermal systems, EGS, which involve the creation of underground reservoirs to generate geothermal energy. The development of EGS has allowed for the extraction of geothermal energy from areas where natural reservoirs are not present. There has also been a rise in the use of direct-use geothermal systems, which utilize geothermal energy for heating and cooling buildings. 5. Biomass energy. Biomass energy is obtained by using organic matter, such as wood chips, agricultural waste, and other plant-based materials, to generate electricity. Biomass is a renewable energy source that reduces carbon dioxide emissions by capturing and storing carbon. It is also a long-term, sustainable solution as organic matter is a never-ending resource. Biomass energy has seen advancements in the development of biorefineries, which use biomass to produce a range of fuels and products. Biorefineries can produce biofuels such as ethanol and biodiesel, as well as other products such as bioplastics and biochemicals. The development of new technologies such as gasification, which converts biomass into a gas that can be used to generate electricity, has also expanded the range of applications for biomass energy. In conclusion, green energy is an essential tool in the fight against global warming and human long-term sustainability. By using renewable and sustainable energy sources such as solar, wind, hydro, geothermal, and biomass energy, we can reduce carbon dioxide emissions and other pollutants and ensure a more sustainable future for generations to come.